In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to saw PVC. Hard PVC and foamed PVC sheets thicker than 5mm can be sawn using a range of different tools, such as bandsaws, circular saws, panel saws and jigsaws. If you're using a foamed PVC sheet less than 5mm in thickness, you can also cut it instead of sawing it. To find out more, view our video about cutting PVC. You'll find the link below this video. To saw PVC, you'll need the following. I'm going to show you how to saw hard PVC using a circular saw. The secret to getting a clean cut is to set the saw to a high speed and let the saw do the work. Mark your sawing line before you start sawing. Now, don't do this on the PVC itself. What we're going to do is apply a strip of masking tape and then mark the line on this. Place the sheet along a straight edge and saw along the marked line. And always make sure to use a saw with dust extraction. Easy as that. After you've sawn through your sheet, remove the masking tape and take a bit of sandpaper and just make sure that your sawn edge is nice and smooth. If you prefer to use a jigsaw to saw PVC, it's essential to set it on a medium to high speed and move the saw through the material slowly. Use clamps or locking pliers to stop the sheet from vibrating while you're sawing. If you'd rather not saw PVC yourself, it's quick and easy to order a PVC sheet custom cut to size from our webshop. If you'd like to learn more about sawing PVC, then visit our blog where you'll find informative articles on this topic. You'll find a link in the description below this video. And if you're looking for more DIY tips and ideas, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to plasticsheetshop.co.uk/blog.